Welcome you back again to another video lecture on Python programming, and in this video lecture we go ahead and look at how to read files from our system. Use ReadLines method. Alright, so this is different from ReadLine. We have ReadLine and we have ReadLines. So here S is included and not just ReadLine alone. It's very simple and straightforward. So let's go ahead and create a file name with fp and let fp be equal to open, and let's go ahead and open the file. Alright, so here we have the file we created in the previous lecture, and the file reads as follows: hello world, welcome to Python programming and you are doing good. Alright, so this is what we've been using all this while. Now let's go ahead and copy the file path, and when you copy the file path, you go ahead and append that to the name of the file, python.txt. Go ahead and close that, and now let's go over here and press in the file path, and go ahead and change all the backward slashes to forward slashes so I can be able to read that. Okay, very necessary, very important, and do not forget to change this. Now we go ahead and change this. Now let's go ahead and append this and name that python.txt. Alright, now when you've done this, go ahead and name our file data equal to fp.readlines. Okay, here you can see the pop-up. We have ReadLine, which we've used in the previous lecture, and we have ReadLines. Go ahead and double click on this, and that is what we have. And then you go ahead and close your file, fp.close, and go ahead and print out the content of the file and data. Now if we go ahead and run this code, let's go ahead and check it out. And hello world, welcome to Python programming, you are doing good. You can see that it's printed out very fine, and the code is just very simple and straightforward. Now can you see that we have the next line attached to this? And I've taught how to remove that. Your assignment in this lecture is also to go ahead and remove this next line that is appended to this. And if you don't know how to do that, please go ahead and let me know, and I'll go ahead and teach you how to remove that. So at the moment, go ahead and do that. That is an assignment for you. And if you have any question, please go ahead and use the question and the answer section, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.